This is Blessing. She's an English pointer. Her legal name is Guardrail Onyx Arrow. And my name's Tom Rakow. I want to share with you a bird hunter's prayer. No collection of coveys or flocks far above can convey the height of your glory nor the extent of your love. The ring-necked rooster with rainbow on wing, the turkey and strut both speak of their king. The gobble, the cackle, the morning dove coo, the honking and drumming, all come from you. O Lord, keep me from false calls and all evil decoys, the snare of the fowler, the one who destroys. Jesus, make me your stylish pointer, and use me to faithfully retrieve those who are yet lost and still need to believe. Amen. Good girl. Good girl.